Hello, my name is Paul. Along with Ilean, we designed and implemented a supervised classifier for Yelp reviews as our CS410 course project. Yelp is a vertical search engine that has become popular due to the rise of mobile devices. It leverages location and other implicit domain-specific data to provide the user with results relevant to their search. They are able to rank the results by distance, star rating, price, number of times reviewed, and other business data available on Yelp. Yelp allows anyone to review businesses and has listings for multiple types of establishments. Yelp allows the user to review their experience and provide a star rating for the business. Many users decide whether or not to patronize a business based on star ratings and reviews. These metrics may be more important than distance, since most restaurants provide delivery with services like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Postmates. From the Yelp fact sheet online, reviews are weighted more towards 5-star ratings, which adds importance to the context and sentiment expressed in the comment of reviews. Users may decide to visit a business because of good food and not mind bad service or long waits. Yelp has tools for both consumers and businesses. The consumer tools focus on searching and providing specific services, while business tools focus on reservations, advertising, tracking promotions, and helping the business gain exposure. Yelp allows businesses to respond to any reviews, both positive and negative. Yelp provides analytics to businesses so that they can track customer leads, including how often they come up on customer searches, tracking clicks to the business website, how often customers map routes to the business, and how many times customers call the business from the Yelp listing. However, Yelp does not provide tracking or sentiment analysis for reviews. Searching the internet, there are companies that provide broad review monitoring with sentiment analysis. Our tool is different because it's specific to Yelp and extends the functionality provided by Yelp. Our tool targets businesses that want to track performance issues in different categories that are of interest. The tool also allows users to identify events that have influenced star ratings and can try to avoid any future issues. The tool currently uses naive Bayes and linear SVC to classify reviews to 2 categories.
To get a better understanding on how to construct the tool, knowing how the data looked was the key. Yelp Open Dataset program provides files of its data in 2 options, JSON and SQL. JSON was ultimately selected for us having the ability to directly access the data. Yelp also provides a JSON to CSV converter, in which we learned from there after converting it that the CSV header had multiple columns: business ID, date, review ID, stars, text, type, user ID, cool, usefulness, and funny. From there we learned that the text column contained the review, and the stars column contained integers of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which correlate to the number of stars the user left. For the review classifications, we chose to have 2 categories, a binomial. Goods, which are food, coffee, clothing, and service, which are restaurants, dry cleaners, movie theaters. And then we ran a sentiment analysis. The current iteration of the tool is command line only. There are 2 major scripts to the tool. Yelp_clean was the script that extracts the word distribution, removes any stop words, and stamps the words. This is key in order to train the classifier, while Yelp underscore classify.py is the script that does the heavy lifting. It trains namespace and CSV classifier. In the sample demo, each classifies 400 reviews. The tool will require to run on Linux. Any distribution will do. And have Python along with pip package manager already installed. If not, please install using your distribution package manager. Once installed, navigate to the link on screen and download the repository. Once the repository is downloaded, unzipped or cloned, open the terminal and enter the commands on screen. To use the tool, open the terminal, navigate to the working directory of CS410-project and enter the commands on screen. The script will inform you when it has begun and when the task has completed. Enter the following commands on screen. Like the previous script, it will inform you that it started and when it has completed. But in between those two, it will print out the metrics, which they can be commented out by entering the source file and adding triple, single quotations at the beginning and end of each of these metrics shown on the source file. The output of the tool are two files, navebase.png and linearsvc.png. These images are bar graphs showing servers in red and goods in blue, which graph the star ratings versus number of comments for each of those levels. The tool is preloaded with a demo. Yelp underscore clean.py is not required for the demo, but running it will not affect the performance. Yelp underscore classify.py is the main script of the tool. Running it using the terminal and entering the command shown on the screen. The script will show when it's starting, and then about 30 seconds later, the namespace will show its metrics, followed by linear SVC. After linear SVC, sentiment analysis will begin. On screen is the demo output. Shown on screen is namespace graph output. Shown on screen is linear SVC graph output. For future work and improvements, we would like to include more categories to allow for complex context representation of reviews, and tracking ratings with respect to time. Compare text data, mine causal topics with time series supervision, and allow you to understand any important events that may affect the business ratings.